Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video of mine, another mail day. I won this on a break from Redngoldblooded. He's on Bond Live TV. Really cool guy. His Twitter name is @FamilyBoxBreaks. You guys want to check him out? He's really cool. I already opened this, so I already know what it is. He shipped it pretty fast. He got here like in 2 days. This is going to my PC. Check it out. I got the plates and patches. Philip Rivers. This one's at a $2.99. And the card that I won from 2011 plates and patches is rookie Jake Locker from the Titans. Nice little patch right there. Sick, right? Sick. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, it's @BreakCityCards. Check it out, check it out. Or you guys can 004 out of 299. This is the fourth one made. Nice. On card auto. So he actually got the card, touched it, signed it. It's pretty sick. It's going to my collection. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.